today we are making authentic Shami kebab recipe. It's very easy to make. Let's see the ingredients. It's really delicious to eat. For that I have taken 500 grams of beef minced, and I have taken 1 cup lentils which I soaked for 4 hours before using it. So I'm going to now add I'm going to add 1 onion inside this. I have to soak the lentils for 4 hours at least. I'm going to add 1 onion, chopped onion, and I'm going to use some spices. I have cumin powder, red chili powder, salt, black cardamom, some chilies and coriander. I'm going to write everything in the description for you. And also I'm added 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. It's very important to put the ginger garlic paste because we are cooking meat, so it's important. And also I've added 2.5 cups of water, and I'm going to let it cook for at least 45 to 50 minutes. After 45 minutes the kebab looks like this. It's nicely soft, the meat is tender. I'm going to chopperize it and going to make a paste like that. And after I'm going to put some coriander, pepper and garam masala, and I'm going to mix it, and I'm going to shape the kebabs in round shape. And then I will also dip it in egg, and I will fry it, and you have to fry it, shallow fry it in oil, and you have to fry it really well because the meat is raw, so you need to cook it well. So the kebabs are ready, and it's ready to be eaten. And I hope you like this easy recipe, and please subscribe and follow, and even if you have any comments you can always mention. Thank you so much for watching.